Today our two alpacas arrived. Two Suri alpacas. Coming over from Oregon to Idaho. And we're gonna start a whole series on alpacas. And this is where they're gonna live. So it should be really exciting. We're excited to see them, so we're gonna start talking a lot about alpacas. There you go.
No.
There we go.
I'm getting a little excited.
she's
Oh my gosh,
she's nervous.
she's ready to go.
You got her?
Yeah.
Come on, sweetie.
Oh, got her. It's a big step there.
There you go. Welcome to your new house. So today is shearing day, and our two alpacas are not happy. You can tell they've been spitting a little bit. They don't like being cooped up in here. They used to being out in the paddock, and right now we're just waiting on the shearers to arrive. You can see they're ready to get it, and pretty upset about being in here. And they'll be really upset when the shearers show up and start putting them down on their side and tying them up and all that good stuff. And so all that fleece is going to come off. So it'll be a fun time. But I pinned them up in here so that when the shearers show up, we're not chasing them around trying to get them in here, and they don't have to spend any more time than they need to here, because they travel the whole country shearing alpacas. We use shearingalpacas.com, and they have crews all over the country that run around, and I think we're the last one on their list today. So they're going to come in, get them shorn, and then head on off to the next farm, which I think is in Montana. So they're finishing up in Idaho today. So we got them in here, we got some water and food, and we're just sitting here waiting for the shearers. So we'll get some video of the shearing once the shearers show up, and you can get a feel for our annual maintenance. Now, besides the shearing, getting the fleece off, they're also going to do their nails. You can see they're in much need of being clipped. They shouldn't be that bent down. So yeah, they don't like being in here. So that's what they do. But we'll separate them. We'll put one back in the back of the shed once the shearers show up, so they're not fighting with each other like that. But again, we'll get their nails done. We'll also have their teeth trimmed if they need it. I don't know that they're going to, but they might. Give them a little trim. So the shearers do the shearing, they do the nails, and they do the teeth, and that's it. So anyway, we'll get some video of that once they show up.
He's not wearing the right pants for that.
I love your tractor. That's so awesome. And their family owns the business.
Okay.
I'm from Arkansas, and
All right.
Jonathan there, the head holder, he's from Michigan.
Okay. So you guys are just from all over,
Yeah.
traveling around.
3 months out of the year. You guys Paris, Idaho?
Oh yeah.
I was down there. I was on a crew. I was on a different crew last year, and we go camping. Like we stay up.
I didn't know they made that.
I'll make sure I get out of your way.
Better?
Second. What?
Yes, they can be. Good. Leg,
Yeah.
pulled it in, and just sat right on my leg. It was like a wrestling takedown.
Wow.
And she just sat there, happy as could be once he got me up.
Well, she's got a thick blanket, that's for sure. Look at that. Wow. Oh, that's nice.
You got a good sit on.
A lot of fleece. Wow, that's a thick blanket.
Am I too tough? How about this? Better? Yep. Just carrying up my waist.
Every year, and you think they do.
Some of them do. It's kind of funny. It's like, if you look at the older ones that have been shorn many times,
Yeah.
they either get way more tolerant of it and they just kind of lay there and let you do it, or they get very, very tricky about how they get away.
We turned them up pretty early, just we didn't know what to do with chasing them around.
Even the ones that are caught up. I learned, my second year on a crew, I learned a very important lesson about not underestimating the alpaca.
So after shearing, now they don't want anything to do with us. She's all the way down, hiding. Nothing to do with us. They'll get over it. It's gonna get hot and they're gonna be way more comfortable. So that's alpaca shearing.